Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can change the animation scroll effects on this smartphone. So at the first, let's click and hold the home screen, then tap to edit home screen and then move to the scroll effects. As you can see here we got a couple of them, so I will show you how it looks with all of them. So as you can see here we got the couple of the themes that we can get, and tell me which one you prefer the most. I think that the card flip and the revolving are the best, and I'm going to stay with this one. So we can simply go back by making these gestures to go back, or just tapping on the navigation bar to go back, and basically that's how we can change it. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!